The objective of solving the second layer is to go from that with only one layer to that with 2 layers. Hi guys, it's Simply Cubing, and today we'll be learning how to solve the second layer. It's Simply Cubing, and today we'll be learning how to solve the second layer. The second layer is the second step of solving the Rubik's Cube, and today we'll be learning how to solve it. If you haven't already, please check out the video on how to solve the first layer right there. So, how we solve this step, the second layer, is there's pretty much only one thing to do. We just need to learn an algorithm. So, the algorithm is R prime U prime rotate L prime U prime L U. So, this, and we also need to learn it for the left side. So, L prime U prime L U, and then R prime U prime R prime U prime. Now, what this does is, if we hold, say, this blue-orange edge, and if it's on the right, well, what we do is we move it over, so move it away, so we don't want to see the blue, only the top color, so that, in this case, the top color is orange, so we make sure we only see the orange, and then do that algorithm. So what we do after that is we rotate so that the color blue, the color we can't see, is facing the front, and then we do L prime, U prime, L U, because the corner that we need to solve is on the left. Then we rotate back so that orange is on the front this time, and then do U prime, U prime. So let's pick another edge. Say we want to pick this one, which is the red and blue edge. Then we find, okay, red and blue. We line it up. Red is on the front, so we move it away from us. Now we rotate, so red is on the front. The front color will always be the center that you need. So red front, so we put red center on the front. L prime U prime L U, because the corner was on the left. R prime U prime. Now let's pick a different one this time. The green and red one. So again, in this case, we move it away so we can't see the green. Rotate so that green is on the front, because the color we can't see should be the one that you line up with. L prime U prime L U, R prime U prime. So let's see. Next, we want to pick the last one, so it has to be here. Move it away. Orange is the color we shouldn't see. Face orange. L prime U prime L U, R prime U prime R prime U prime. Now, let's head on to some examples. Alright, so for the first case, we got kind of lucky with one edge already being solved. So for this first example, we don't even need to worry about it. Now let's pick an edge. So this is the red and green one. And first we have to move it there, move it until it matches. And then once it matches, we see green is the one that matches. So we move green so we can't see it. Now we line up with the green. L prime U prime L U, R prime U prime. Now this time let's pick this one. So we have to rotate, move blue away, but this time blue is on the front and the corner is in the right. So we do the right algorithm, which is R prime U prime. And then we rotate back, L prime U prime L U. Next one, this one is orange, it matches, move it away with a U, so R prime U prime, and then rotate L prime U prime L U. Just a quick tip, how it works is if the edge is on the left side, then you always have to move it away with a U prime. If the edge is on here, then we have to move it with a U. That's just a quick tip. Now let's move on to the second example. So for the next example, none of them are solved. So first let's pick an edge. I'll pick this one, the green and orange. So we find it, green and orange. It matches orange. So we want to move orange away. L prime U prime L U, and then rotate R prime U prime. So next one we have this blue. We want to move it away. So Now since the corner's on the left, we move it away with U prime, L prime, U prime, L U, and then R U R prime U prime. Now we pick this one. We want to move it away because on the right, this corner, and then R U R prime U prime, L prime U prime L U. Last one, pretty simple. It's on the left. Move it away. L prime U prime L U, R U R prime U prime. Now let's get on to the last example. For the last case, if we look around, we have something tricky. We have an edge in a slot, but it's not the right edge. So how do we fix it? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Find an edge that isn't one of them that you're solving. So that isn't this edge, so blue, red, red, green, or green, orange. So pick any one. So any edge with yellow on it. So we pick, say, this one. We move it away. R, U, R prime, U prime. And then rotate. L prime, U prime, L, U. So now the edge is up. So now we can continue with the example. So this edge, we move it, match red, it matches, so we move it away with another U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, R, U, R prime, U prime. This one matches blue, so we move it away with a U prime. This one's on the left, which is why we use a U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, R, U, R prime, U prime. Then again, we say pick this one. So now we also have a weird case. This edge is also solved in the wrong slot. But the thing is, this edge is the one we're going to solve. So when we solve this, it needs to take it out, right? So we move it away with a U, and then you do R, U, R prime, U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, and look, it's out. So last one, obviously, move it away since it's on the left, L prime, U prime, L, U, and then R, U, R prime, U prime. In conclusion, this step is technically pretty simple once you know how to do it. Things to practice are just do some through solves, or just do some solving these edges. And if you need help, tell me in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks so much for 10 subscribers. Hopefully we can hit 20 soon. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.